So we're going to demonstrate a little bit of the protocol that we use when people have had a head injury or a concussion. She has already gone through most of the protocol, and we're going to show kind of where she's at this point. She's already worked from red all the way up, and we'll be treating the blue color today. But what happens is when there's an injury, especially a fall on the back of the head, then the vision center is at the back of the head, and the nerves can get scrambled, and things don't process as well through the eyes into the vision center. So to demonstrate, we'll choose one of the colors that she's already worked on, which is green, and slide those over her glasses. You can leave those on. And then push up strong. And when we filter only the green light in, it should not weaken her. Push up real hard. And it does not. And if we move to the next color that she is working on, you can move those if you need to. Again, you should not weaken when you're looking through a particular filtered color, but she does weaken on blue. Take those off, please. And we'll go to the next color, indigo. And hold real strong, push up hard. Okay. And she weakens, push up, on indigo, and you can take those off. And we'll check violet. And let's test that one, push up. And push up. Okay, and so she's weakening from on the second half of the color spectrum here. So we're going to start with the lower frequency first. We're going to start with the blue and put those on. And then we're going to, again, use our laser. We're activating the brain with the color. And we're going to laser the back of the head where the vision center is while she wears the glasses. You want to hold it? Okay. And so it's pretty simple and easy to do, but what's happening now is the blue wavelength of light is coming into the eyes, going back to the vision center at the back of the head, and we're adding the light energy with the laser to allow the cells to communicate better and the neurons to interact with each other at a faster rate. It also increases the energy production in the cells, so her body's actually making and manufacturing more energy. Additionally, it's getting rid of any inflammation that might be in the nerves as well, and the laser speeds the healing process quite quickly. So I'm going to hold this, and let's test you and see how you did with that color. Push up. And so when we check her vision center now, she's strong with the laser, and now she's strong without it because we've treated it. And then I'm going to check the other portions of the brain to see if there's additional weakness that we need to support. So push up, and we're going to check the parietal lobe and the temporal lobe. And she says there's still some weakness in the temporal lobe. And usually just a few seconds is all it takes to turn it back on. Push up. And then that says it's more stable. We'll check the corpus callosum in the center, and that seems to be okay. And we'll check the opposite parietal lobe and temporal lobe. And she weakens on that one. And we'll just leave the light there until the body says it's had enough and it goes back to strong. Push up. And push up again. There it goes. And we're going to check the right frontal lobe. Keep your head in the center. Good. And the left frontal lobe. And the cerebellum, or the balance and coordination center. Push up on either side. And those are strong. Go ahead and take those off for me. And we'll go to the next wavelength. This is the indigo. Good. And push up. And that one is still weak because we haven't treated this one yet. So we would go through the same process and treat the lobes of the brain to activate them and allow her vision center to operate better so that when she's going about her day and that light is coming into her eyes, it's not an overwhelming stimulus to the brain, and she can deal with her surroundings and her environment in a much healthier and more balanced way. Good job.